children, welcome to my channel. Let's learn with Monami. Hello Monami. Hello teacher.
Hello friends.
And today we are going to learn these two sight words, him and his.
Him. H-I-M. Him. His. H-I-S. His. Oh, is that your pet?
Yes, miss.
What is his name?
His name is Tom. I love him so much.
What is his favorite food?
Mother bakes special biscuits for him. That is his favorite food. Do you know, my father has built a kennel for him.
Oh, that is his favorite place.
No! His favorite place is near Grandma's rocking chair.
Children, here we were talking about Monami's favorite pet dog, Tom. We have used him and his in the sentences when we were talking about Tom. We use him or his when we talk about a boy or a man or any male creature. When we say him, we are talking about that male person or creature. For example, he is John. Kate gave him a pencil. Miss Maria taught him to write. Miss Tracy bought him a nice gift. All the teachers gave him stars to encourage him. Now let's talk about his. When something belongs to a male person or any male creature, we refer to it as his. For example, he is Mr. Smith. This is his red car. His wife is French. He has a house of his own. He has invited us to his house. Practice time. Choose the correct word. Mr. Lobo bought him or his son a camera.
His.
Well done. Mr. Lobo bought his son a camera. Mother gave him or his some food.
Him.
Well done. Mother gave him some food. I like his or him music.
His.
Good. I like his music. Please call him or his.
Him.
Good. Please call him.
Thank you children for learning with Monami. Hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Do not forget to like, subscribe
And share the channel.
See you in our next episode. Till then, bye.
Bye friends.